Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'll be doing an affordable makeup tutorial. I'm so excited for you guys to see this, so let's go ahead and get started. For primer, I am using the NYX Angel Veil Primer, which is one of my favorite primers ever. But for foundation, I'm going to be using my CoverGirl Trueblend foundation, and I'm in the shade M30. I feel like this is like the perfect foundation shade for me, and I really like this foundation. It was my first time using it on camera, and wow. I was shocked because this foundation stayed all day and I didn't even get oily, and I was just like, okay, CoverGirl, I see you. It's such a good foundation, and I don't know why I didn't use it before. So for concealer, I'll be using this Instant Age Rewind by Maybelline. Now this concealer brings me back so much memories because it was one of the first concealers I ever bought, you know, when I barely started doing my makeup. After I finish applying concealer, I'm going in with my beauty blender and I'm going to be blending everything out. To set the under eye, I'll be using my Airspun loose face powder, and I'm going to be setting the areas I applied concealer. This is probably one of my favorite things to do when it comes to the face makeup. I really love bronzing my face, and I'm using the Butter Bronzer by Physicians Formula, by the way. You guys know I love this bronzer. And the brush I'm using is an L312 by Stellazzi, one of my favorite brushes to apply bronzer. For blush, I'm going to apply Luminoso by Milani. The highlight I'll be using today is by Wet&Wild, and it's called Golden Flower Crown. So the face is done. Now I'm moving on to the eyes, and I'm using the J.Cat Beauty Take Me Away Secret Paradise palette. So the first color I'm applying on my crease is going to be Day Away, which is like a mauve eyeshadow, and I'm applying this with a Morphe M441 brush, and I'm just doing windshield wiper motions. This color looks very similar to the other eyeshadow, but it's not. It's a little bit darker, and it's called Sunrise. I'm also going to be placing this on the crease, and I'm just using the same brush I used to apply the other eyeshadow. By the way, you guys don't have to apply one eyeshadow first and then the other one. You guys could even mix both of these colors together because they look the same, so it doesn't really matter, you know. I am doing a half cut crease today, so I'm using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Porcelain. I'm using both colors I applied on the crease on the outer V of my eye, and I am mixing both of these colors. Like I said, they don't have to be in order. For the eyelid color, I'll be using this gold eyeshadow all over my entire eyelid. At first, I was using the brush and it didn't really work, so I went ahead and used my finger and it was a lot better. I'm also going to be adding some glitter on top of the eyeshadow, and I'm using this crystal body liner by NYX and it's called Crystal Gold. The lashes I'll be using today are by Koko lashes and they're called Fifth Avenue. I'm also adding the same eyeshadow I applied on my eyelid on the inner corners of my eye and on my brow bone as well. Wow, I am all finished with the eyes. Do you guys like it? Let me know down below. I am obsessed with this look. I feel like it's perfect for any occasion. But anyways, I'm going back to the face and I'm applying lipstick. The lipstick I'll be using today is by CoverGirl and it's called Tempting Toffee. You guys know I never really used cream lipsticks, but this color was just so pretty that I couldn't say no. To finish everything up, I'm going to set my face with the CoverGirl setting spray, and yeah, this whole look is complete. I hope you guys loved it, and if you guys did, you guys already know to give this video a thumbs up before you leave. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys on my next video.